What wonderful history shows how God fulfills his promises.
And the Lord gave unto Israel all the land which he had sworn to give unto their fathers, and they possessed it, and dwelt therein. And the Lord gave them rest round about, according to all that he sware unto their fathers. And there stood not a man of all their enemies before them. And the Lord delivered all their enemies into their hand. There failed not out of any good thing which the Lord had spoken unto the house of Israel. All came to pass.
The history of the Israelites being led out of Egypt and, eventually, into the land of Canaan illustrates how everything God had promised to Abraham and his descendants after him came true. Canaan was even nicknamed the Promised Land because of the promise God originally made with Abraham. This history is recorded so that your faith in God could be strengthened, so you can see and know that if God did all that for the children of Israel, he can and will do the same for you today.